Hello, how are you, Ronin RSC2? So, andiyan ka pala, no? Balita ko, marunong kang makipag-usap sa mga poging katulad ko. Tama ba yan? Tama ba, pogi ako? And i-react mga isa. Si Palaboy OFW ba, kilala mo? Medyo bastos din to. Ba't di mo kilala? Sikat yun. Si SAMSTILL, kilala mo? Porque may-ari. Kilala mo? Siya may-ari sa'yo, no? Kaya pala. So, ibig sabihin, sino mas pogi sa amin dalawa? Siya o ako? Oo, hindi lang. Pogi siya ako. Nalito ka, no? Nalito siya. So, gumagalaw ka pala talaga, no? Paano ka gumagalaw? Ganyan lang, no? Kaya mo ba gumalaw ng kaliwa, kanan? Astig to, bra. High-tech to. Lupit, So, siyempre, patango-tango. Kanina ka pa patango-tango, eh. Kaya mo umikot ng 360? Puta na, mastig, brad. 360, oh. Ang lupit. Full 45 degrees. Malupit, So, paano kaya nagagawa na itong DJI natin yung mga ganitong technology, no? So, malalaman ba namin yan mamaya kung paano? Lupit,
Pasayawin mo ba yun?
Sayaw ka nga ng paru-paru G. Paru-paru G. Malupit, paru-paru G ka pa, Hirap mong kausap, nakakapagod ka kausap, So, pag sumikat na si SAMSTILL, may talent na ako dito, may talent din na ako. Buta wala. Bakit wala? Shutdown kita. Nakakapagod na mag-usap, bay. So, shoutout mo ako lagi, Ronin RSC2, Okay? Tsaka yung mga tropa nating vlogger dito sa Kuwait. Ano pa kaya mong gawin? Pakita mo nga. Pasiklab ka nga sa akin. Wala na. So, high-tech, ayos. Lingon ka nga dun sa harap. Lingon ka nga dito sa camera na to. Lingon ka dito. Malupit, Sumunod ka nga sa kamay ko. Malupit, Umusunod, Ang lupit mo, Hindi naman pa ako niloloko, Ayop. Stig, Down. Mapata ng bilis, Up. Malupit, Left. Malupit. Right. Teka na, Di pa tapos? Alam ko ka na, Batiin mo si Brian, Yon, tsaka si SAMSTILL nandun sa kabila. Yan, Yan, Yun pa. yun pala yun. So, alright.
Hello guys, so again guys, today we have another tutorial regarding the DJI Ronin RSC2. On today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the DJI Ronin RSC2 Force Mobile. Yes guys, so I just saw a couple of videos from Instagram and YouTube that are using the Force Mobile. So in this vlog guys, similar that we did in the video clips today guys. Okay, so again guys, without further ado, let's start now guys. First, make sure that you have your DJI Ronin application. So ito yung guys, the DJI Ronin application. First, just turn on the DJI Ronin, with the camera, and make sure that it's already with the cable guys, the correct cable for your camera. So depends on the camera guys. So yan nga guys, ayan, we'll start now to connect and use the application guys. So first, ayan, you must have the application again, or just open the application with the Ronin. Then make sure that you are in the DJI RSC2 mode, because there's an Ronin RSC, the first version, or the Ronin DJI Ronin S. And so make sure that you are in DJI RS2, then connect guys. I'm already connected to the DJI Ronin RSC2. Just open guys, and you have the create go for the create, guys. And the create section, you can see all the mode, guys. So you have the force mobile. So yan, we have force mobile, we have panorama, we have time lapse, tracks, gaming, and the camera settings. So yan siya, guys. Open the force mode, guys, and ayan. Then make sure you will enable the force mode mobile. And just enable the force mode mobile, and make sure, guys, again, your mobile in the portrait mode. Yan, naka-portrait siya, guys. Not landscape. Yan, nakaganyang portrait siya. Not landscape mode. So, it's more easy. Ayan. Try natin, guys. So, yan siya, guys. Left, right, up, down, left, right. Yan. Then, okay, up and down, up and down. So, yan siya, guys. It's more easy and more convenient to use with the stick, and yan, naka-portrait mode siya, guys. So, you can recenter and reposition and recenter the camera. So, yan siya, guys. It's more easy and very quick to use. This force mobile. So, yan. So, again, I suggest you will clip on the with the holder and use this portrait mode. So, more easy. And yan. And guys, so this is the force mobile. And again, guys, so that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating PBK 2.0. And si yung model natin kanina, Liz Palaboy OFW. At si Brian Puntanar na ating cameraman. So again, guys, if you want to know more about our products, about DJI products, you can visit us to our website, www.aabworld.com. So again, guys, www.aabworld.com. You can check all our DJI products, from drone to stabilizer, for mobile stabilizer, for camera stabilizer, and for any DJI products. Yan. We have Osmo Pocket, Osmo Action. So it's already there on our website. Or you can visit us here, guys, in Symphony Showroom. And guys, you can visit us here in Symphony Showroom. We have all the demo unit from the DJI products, from stabilizer, mobile, and camera stabilizer. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, thank you very much sa lahat ng subscribers natin. Maraming salamat sa patuloy sa panonood sa ating channel. Thank you and mabuhay.